On Tuesday, May 3rd, nearly 400 students from Bradenton, Florida, had an opportunity to see the world in a whole new way through the vision that NASA provides.
It was very cool, and it made me think about being an astronaut.
In a trip sponsored by Lockheed Martin Corporation, the students visited Kennedy Space Center in Cape Canveral, Florida, an exciting complex that brings space education to life. Educators say the trip opened up a whole new world for the students, not only by increasing their understanding of space, but also exciting them about fulfilling careers in aeronautics and other technical fields.
If you learn a lot about math and science, it will help you engineer and help with and get involved in space.
All my life, as a young life, I've really been dreaming I want to go up to space. I want to go on the moon. I don't know of a girl who's ever gone up to the moon, and I want to be the first.
And I think that they get a chance to really experience what the engineers, the whole jobs that everyone does to put together to make this a successful space program. I think what it really does is put some of the things that you do into the classroom into the real world, and that they realize that sometimes things that they're doing in the room when they're reading and writing, whether it's math or science, that this can be applied later on into careers.
The students on the trip were 4th and 5th graders from Marjorie G. Kinnan Elementary School and Florine J. Abel Elementary School, each of which are located near Lockheed Martin's facility in Tallevast, Florida. The students, along with 60 chaperones, met aeronautic professionals, saw space memorabilia, and toured the Apollo and Saturn V Center, along with the real Saturn V rocket.
Well, what we were hoping for today was that the students would be inspired. Through the space program, this is a great place for them to be inspired, Kennedy Space Center, and to catch that wave of enthusiasm for the future. I mean, these students are our future. And any company like Lockheed Martin, we know that our workforce is aging. In the next 10 years, 60% of our employees will be retiring. We need this new wave of students to catch that vision and to learn math and science and become our great new technology geniuses.
During a special presentation, Lockheed Martin engineers Herb Yamada and Betsy DeLee entertained the students with stories about their work as Lockheed Martin engineers.
One really good thing about the Space Shuttle pile, I think we go ahead and dissipate all that heat.
Their presentation included a demonstration of a remote control helicopter to explain the specific principle of flight. Lockheed Martin's sponsorship included the engineers' presentation, the group's transportation, and admission to the Kennedy Space Center, and lunch and dinner for all participants.
And we have had just a wonderful time. We want to thank Lockheed Martin for all the great opportunity that we've gotten to have and explore today, and hopefully that sparks these young minds to go on and keep forging for the final frontier.
Heaven Garcia's unbridled enthusiasm speaks to this and what Lockheed Martin's initiatives and what young dreams are for.
I would really like to be an astronaut so I could go up in space and float around, because I really want to feel how that is. And I want to see the moon one day and see the stars up close.